Hello friends and welcome to another video. Today's video we are going to review about Biocera's antimicrobial reusable mask. So friends, this is a very special mask. It is manufactured by Biocera in Korea. So let's get started. So first view, this mask does look a premium mask, and let's check what we have got here. So this is a reusable mask. So what's exactly is inside, let's see. So before touching the mask, I am sanitizing my hands first so that my hands are very germ free, so there's not an issue. Okay, so we are completely sanitized, and oh wow, it's really very lightweight and feels very premium. Okay, from inside there is a fabric. This is totally breathable fabric, and from outside it's definitely very smooth and comfortable to wear. So this comes in two sizes. I've seen one is M, one is L, and this is the L size. Okay, it's quite big. I suppose this will fit me perfectly. So we are going to do some tests over this mask, so let's get started. The first test we want to do is the droplet test. So first we'll get rid of the paper so it does not get damaged, and we'll keep a sterile paper which is clean and keep the mask on the paper. So this is the upside, the outer side. It is said to actually repel droplets, so it will not absorb. This is completely waterproof. So this is called hydrophobic material. So you can see the wonders of this mask, that it will not absorb water. So that's why this is a perfect mask you can wear, because it will not absorb any particles. Even if somebody sneezes in front of you, so it will not absorb those droplets. Those droplets will be just on the mask over there, and they will not be absorbed inside. So whenever you just push it off, the water molecules or the mask is completely dry. It will not cross the fabric itself. So this is the very first property, that it is totally waterproof, washproof. So perfect. This is the benefit of Silver AG Plus technology that has been incorporated in this mask. See, it's completely dry. So this mask is usable, reusable. You don't need to throw it away. You can reuse this mask plenty of times, or you can use it up to, it is said you can use it up to 50 times. There are two colors, one is gray and black. I have received the gray color, and black is also nice. The fabric, it's stretchable, so it will be perfectly fitted on your face and your ears. So let's have a check that how does it fits. This mask fits perfectly, and it is very much of a good quality. For breathing also it's very good. I am feeling it. I can breathe freely, because I had a lot of breathing issue with that surgical masks. So this is quite good. Other thing, fogging is very less in my glasses, because I face a lot of problem of fogging with the conventional or surgical mask. So there is no fogging. It is there, but it's not so much. So other thing, the fabric is very much breathable, and while talking also the fabric is not moving, or the mask is not moving. That is very nice for me, because I have observed that while talking the mask itself moves a lot. So that is a plus point, that it's not moving, it is stable. It is not causing my irritation to my ear, because I have used surgical masks since 6 months that have caused a lot of pain in my ears. It stretches, this mask is not giving any pain in my ears. So other thing it is also UV protection because it is silver plus technology. So it actually repels ultraviolet light. So you might actually protect your skin also because this is covering maximum area as compared to a surgical mask, and it is waterproof. So as we saw that it does not sticks any droplets, so we don't have to fear about if anybody in front of us sneezes, so the droplets will not be collected in the mask itself. It is reusable, you can wash it. It is antimicrobial, means it will 99.9 it will prevent all kind of microbials, not viruses, because viruses are very tiny. That's all friends. So I give a thumbs up to this product. If you like it, please leave a comment. If you want it, you can put an inquiry in the comments. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.